Hello everybody, today I will do about managerial accounting related to CVP, cost, volume and product. First, we talk about, now we go to the first question. This is a long question. Venus Bay has two machines and one spaceship, which are used for drilling and delivered. Drilling, that's about the machine, and deliver, that's about the spaceship. They operate the machine on the moon and deliver the natural resources back to the moon. Each time to launch the spaceship, the company needs to use propellant gas on Earth and on Moon. It costs $50,000 per trip. The distance from the Earth to the Moon is 238,900 miles. The spaceship consumes 5 gallons of gasoline in each mile. The price of gallon is $4 per unit. There are 100 workers to operate and working 8 hours, and the salary is $40 per hour in 200 days per year. The spaceship can do 4 trips in working day. Fixed manufacturing costs are $1 million. After 1 year, the company collects 8,000 tons of natural resources. What is the minimum selling price per ton? So that the question they ask about the breaking point for the selling price, and to do this question we need to know about the direct cost and the fixed cost. After we calculate the total cost, we divide the quantity, so we can know the selling price in the minimum. First, we will find on the direct cost in here. It costs $50,000 per trip, and because they use the propellant gas, so I will draw the diagram in here. We know that the distance is about 238,900 miles. Because each time to go to the moon, we use the propellant gas in here, and when we go back to the Earth, we use propellant gas in here too. So that is 2 times. But we must to know that how many times they go each year. So in the question we need to know the total delivery trip. To calculate the total delivery trip, we must know that the worker work 200 days per year, and the spaceship can do 4 trips in working day. It means that in 200 days and we have 4 trips, so the total trip is about 800 trips. The next one, when we got the 800 trip, it means that we will know the total cost of the using a propellant gas. So let me $40 million. So that's it, the first one we just calculate. The next one, let's see about the gas, because every time we deliver, we need to consume the gasoline. So gasoline consumption, we have 800 trips in here, and we have 238,900. And we know that 5 gallons per trip per mile. So we have 5 gallons in here. Let's if multiply 5, because we know that each mile we consume 5 gallons, and each 1 gallon we have $4. So the total in here, so we have the number is that's about 3,822,400,000. So that's about the total gasoline consumption in here. That's the total price too. The next one, that's about direct labor. We know that we have 100 workers. We multiply with about 8 hours, and each 1 hour we work about $40. Then we multiply with 200 days, because each day we work. So let's have the total. So we have 6,400,000. So we finished about the direct costs. We have the fixed cost is about 1 million. So that we just finished calculate on the cost. So we have the total cost. Total cost in here we sum 40 million, 3 billion, 6 and 1. So we have the total cost. So that's the total cost. So we want to sell in rice per ton, so that we divide 8,000 in here. Just divide 8,000. So that's the selling price for 1 ton is about also that's about the wrecking ball too. That's the end of the question. related to the accounting for the space. Thank you for watching.